So we're primed and ready for this game.
Really ready?
Yep.
Really, really ready?
Yes.
Really, really ready?
Yes, Don.
How did you know what I was going to say?
I guessed.
Wow, you're good.
Offside, Phoenix. Nagy. Shoots the puck. Joseph stones him cold. Nagy shoots. Ferguson jumps on the loose puck. Johnson fires. Ferguson gets the pass from Joseph Lind. Linden. Shoots it. Blocked. Lind knocked him off the puck. Nagy gets the pass from Boucher. Kolanos gets laid out.
I'm thinking that's going to represent the low point of his day.
Bratton gets shoved. Kolanos. That's icing. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Bordelot gets flattened.
Looks like he's worked up an appetite for destruction.
Doan grabs the puck with a wrist shot. Doan grabs it. Fires it.
He missed the net by what, 40, 50 feet?
Chatan put it between his legs.
Nice trick, Ace.
Bordelot takes control of the puck. Oates with a breakaway. Brewer shoots it hard. Scores!
Put it in nice and high. Must have been aiming for the water bottle.
Detroit gets an early goal to give them the early lead.
That seems fitting.
By number
Shanahan.
Eric Brewer, assisted.
Yager corrals the puck. Boucher turned the shot aside. Phoenix dumps the puck in. Lemieux gobbles it up. Delayed call. Lidstrom is going to the box for interference.
According to my hockey knowledge, that infraction would warrant a 2-minute penalty. Sweet, I was right.
Detroit will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They've just got to play. It looks like that war of words just reverted to a plain old war.
And it looks like we have our winner.
I'm pretty sure it's the guy who's still standing, Jim.
Very good, Don. Langkow won the faceoff.
If he was trying to miss the net, then that was a great shot.
Lemieux scoops up the loose puck. Mera rips a shot. Lidstrom has served his penalty, and that puts his team back on even footing. Oates gets checked. Lemieux shoots the puck. Lidstrom gets it. Oates. Taken out. Vannanen takes possession of the puck. It's one-on-one. Amonte grabs the puck. Lemieux shoots, scores!
It's a bird. It's a plane. Actually, it's a goal. But it's a great one. Leads are meant to be protected, Jim. To the last man, to the last breath. They are more precious than diamonds, more sacred than a...
Enough, Don, enough. Bratton. Linden with the puck. Lind cranks it hard on net. Stick save.
His secret? Waxing his stick with goal be gone. Twice a week.
Kolanos jumps on the loose puck. Nagy gets laid out.
That hit was the rare breed. Hitus Maximus.
Lind took the puck. Phoenix gets a hold of it. They dump it.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Nagy has it now. Nailed.
Okay, maybe this game is a little rougher than Yahtzee.
Lemieux shoots the puck. Saved by Joseph.
The sun is set on the first period, but soon the second period will dawn.
Oh, man.
Hi, everybody, and welcome back to NHL 2003, the official game of me.
Hockey's a team sport, Don, just like broadcasting.
Oh, I stand corrected. It's the official game of we.
Yager shoots. Oh, he missed. Fired it hard. Stoned cold by Boucher. Shoots the puck. Markov stops the shot. Kaberla with the puck. Cranked him.
Hey, you can always get a job as a bowling pin if this whole hockey thing doesn't work out.
Amonte shot hard. Joseph stoned him cold. Amonte shoots the puck from the right. Joseph denied him. Delayed penalty call coming up for Detroit. There's a penalty coming up. Shanahan is going off for cross-checking.
Jim?
Yes?
How long is this penalty for?
2 minutes. Detroit gets hit with the penalty.
And Jim, that's gotta hurt their chances in this one.
Door slammed shut by Joseph.
He takes pride in keeping the net 100% puck-free.
May, hard shot. Marchment gets in the way. Mera rips one. Saved by Joseph.
When it comes to the net, he's got more moves than an electric trout.
Yager shoots the puck from the right. He scores! That puts them up by 1.
And with time ticking away in the second, I'd like to mention that last play was brought to you by your friends at EA Sports. We're videorific.
Langkow takes control of the puck. Fires! Blocked. Linden. Bratton now has the puck. Phoenix puts its scoring line out. He jumps on the loose puck. Mera. May gets it. Lemieux grabbed it. It's 1-on-1 with a wrist shot. Ferguson stops the shot. Linden. Shanahan went in ahead of the play. That's offside. That's offside. Amonte. Markov got the puck. Doan shoots it. Detroit got it. Amonte grabs it. Joseph made the huge save. Shanahan. Yager had the puck. Yager. Kaberla jumps on the loose puck. Amonte. Phoenix has it. It's off the post. The door is shut by Joseph.
Shots, saves, saves, and shots, and saves again. I love it.
Brewer gets hammered. Johnson with the puck. Fired it hard. Saved by Joseph.
Attention shoppers. The net is now closed.
Shatan. Simpson scoops up the loose puck. Johnson. Kolanos. Lidstrom grabbed it. Lemieux fires it. Lidstrom gives him the business. Shatan.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Icing is called against Detroit. Briere wins the draw. Lidstrom gets in the way.
40 minutes down, 20 to go. Unless it goes into overtime. Then it could be 25 minutes to go. Or 30 minutes. Anyway, you get my point.
Well, Don, the way this game has been going, I think we're in for a great finish.
I do believe you're onto something. Let's see where this game takes us.
Commodore gets hold of the puck. Mera. Detroit scoops it up. Lind. It's 1-on-1. Bratton shoots the puck. Taken by Phoenix. Lemieux.
One hand is all you need when you can deke like that.
Commodore gets laid out. Lemieux grabs the puck. He gets laid out. Lidstrom. Yager. Shot it! Kick save by Boucher.
See what comes from reading the play, Jim? He was one step ahead of the shooter.
Chelios with the puck. Yager. Yager! Kaberla stops the shot. Shanahan jumps on the loose puck. Shoots! Saved by Boucher.
He's slowly weaving his own web of save, Jim.
Amonte isn't going to let anybody have that puck.
He went right through that guy, Jim.
Amonte stick saved by Joseph.
He moves faster than a cheetah with a can tied to its tail.
Yager cannonading shot. Doan takes control of the puck. Doan wrist shot. Joseph made the save. Marchment with the puck. Hits the post. Oates. Shatan now with the puck. Shoots! He scores! It's midway through the third period, and these guys are up by 2.
And they couldn't be happier. It gives them a chance of victory with a capital V.
Bookberger.
7, Adam Oates. And by number
Fired
9,
it! Joseph slams the door shut. There's going to be a penalty. Commodore has been nailed for cross-checking.
Jim, he'll be watching the play from the penalty box for only 2 minutes. Not too long, really.
Detroit will play shorthanded.
But I've got a good feeling about this one. This team loves to be the underdog.
Oates got the puck. Yager in control now. Brewer gets the shot off. Commodore sees his penalty expire and jumps back on the ice. Lidstrom controls the puck. Iserman. Boucher stoned him.
He came, he saw, he saved.
Long pass. Phoenix is going to go with the extra attack. Monty scores! It trickled in! Awesome shot on that goal.
Yeah, you could sell that guidance system to the military. Well, you know what they say, the best defense is a good offense.
Who says that?
You know, they, them. Them? Okay, my cousin Theodore says it. Are you happy now?
Oates won the faceoff. Boucher hangs on for the whistle. Monty.
That's more than just a deke, Jim. It's a performance art piece.
Phoenix is pulling the goalie, Don.
I'd say that tactic has as much chance of working as chips going into space.
They've already been there, Don.
Then this could get interesting.
Kaberla in the clear. Shatan gets pushed off the puck.
There was so much turbulence there, I just spilled my roasted almonds.
Detroit takes control. Solani. Oates now has it. Shatan dumps it in. Phoenix takes possession. Simpson gets nailed. Johnson. Kolanos took the puck. Bordelot corrals it. Phoenix gobbles it up. Kolanos. Nagy grabbed it. Mowed down.
I wish he'd take the whole hitting thing a little more seriously, Jim, because that was just sad.
Grattan shoots the puck. Johnson gets in the way. Linden jumps on the loose puck. It's all over now. Detroit puts together a solid effort and earns the win.
It all comes down to the fundamentals, Jim. They kept moving the puck around from man to man until they had the shot they wanted.
That wins games, Don.
Number 10, Tony Amonte.